Before we begin, a gentle challenge for the curious. Hidden among Kyoto's blossoms, a shimmering friend awaits. Spot him, and you may find a little surprise waiting in return. Spring drifts gently through Kyoto, each petal a whisper of time. I wandered where temple shadows stretched, where blossoms brushed old stone with silk, and silence lingered like a blessing. The air smelled of memories not my own, incense, river mist, and something eternal. In the narrow streets, charm lingers in every turn, laughter hides behind latticed windows, and the past feels very near. Beneath bridges and on quiet waters, the blossoms float, as if Kyoto herself is dreaming. At each step, beauty revealed itself, not in grand moments, but in stillness. And as golden light settled softly across the trees, I knew. I had walked not just through a place, but through a feeling. And I carry that feeling with me, always.